morning, my name is Anvi Mehta and today I will present my debut on South India. Southern India comprises of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Telangana, as well as the Union Territories of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep and Puducherry. It is the land of Ayurveda, mouth-watering cuisine, soulful Carnatic music, enchanting traditional dance forms, fascinating handicrafts, and of course, Tollywood. From exquisitely carved temples to colonial charm to breathtaking hill stations, stunning backwaters, and beautiful beaches, South India has it all. It is a traveler's dream come true. Ayurvedic massages, houseboat cruises, wildlife sanctuaries and heritage zones overwhelm you. The popular dance forms of Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi and Kathakali that found their origin in this artistically rich and prospering region. Southern India is a symphony of serene tropical landscapes, golden beaches and beautiful tea hills. It is a place like no other, a paradise on earth and certainly worth your visit.